Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all are very well. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up ABC Proxy and a review about ABC Proxy price. So open browser and search on Google what ABC Proxy. So my ABC Proxy interface is open and you also see the pricing of the GB proxy. That's called residential proxy. So if you buy 5 GB proxy, the official price 16.5. So if you buy from me, you get 50% discount. That means the price is 8.25. Then if you buy 45 GB, then the price also 50%. So if you buy mini pack from me, then the regular price basis you get big discount from me. So if you buy from me, then contact my Telegram channel or contact my Telegram personal channel. So now I'll show another proxy price. At 204 IPs, the total price $30. If you buy from me this package, the price is $18. So if you buy 400 proxy, then I give you 50% discount. That means the prices is $30. So if you buy proxy from me, then join my Telegram channel or join my Telegram personal channel. Now I'll show how to set up ABC proxy and open ABC browser. First, if you don't have account, then create account and download the ABC proxy apps. So my apps already downloaded and log in the account on the apps. Now see my 10 proxies available at the moment in my account. Now if you need any country proxy, it's all available. So I am using US, United States of America. If you need state proxy, you can search by state. So I don't need to search now. Filter, search United States proxy. You always follow a low ping. So I am searching for low ping. See 20 is ping. Click right button and for port to proxy. So select 400, then click here port for list. So copy the proxy and open browser and you need to extension proxy. Then option, click proxy, remove old proxy and set up new proxy. Then click save. Now you need to enable the proxy. Now I'll check my proxy active or not. So search 𝗬𝗏𝗏net. See my proxy is connect. So New York, United States. So it's good proxy. And if you buy from me, you get 50% discount, unofficial discount. So if you searching for Cash App proxy, Chime proxy, Chime Bank proxy, or anything like a PayPal login proxy. So if you contact me, then you get good discount from me. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then don't forget to share my channel. Thank you.